Hello everyone, it's Jane here. In my previous video, I have shown you how to create a free tier instance in G-Cloud. Today, you will see how I create a free tier instance in AWS Cloud or Amazon Web Service Cloud. Similar like Google Cloud, in AWS, you get to run T2 Micro for free in first year. Now, after you log into AWS, you go to EC2 and you can click Launch Instance. Now I'm gonna launch a instance that run Centos. You can choose this one here, Centos 7. Here's the price. Is free tier eligible? Hit continue. And then we choose T2 Micro because show free tier eligible. And hit continue. I use the default VPC. Leave others the same as the default. Leave it's auto assign public IP. Click add storage. I'm gonna leave it 8. You can change it to different, like 10G, 20G, and then add tag. I don't need any tags so far. Continue. Configure security group. Now I have some, but I'm gonna create one. So here it has SSH. This will create a security group allowing who basically 000/0, meaning everyone can SSH to your computer. The future created. You can put here your public IP and put 32 here. For example, if my public IP, my local desktop right now here running public IP, if it's, let's see, 111.1.1.1, just example, and then put 32, that means you only allow yourself public IP to go. That's more secure. Okay, but for example, demonstration here, I'm gonna just leave this here. Launch. Choose an exist one. I can also create a new one. Let's create name as demo and download. It will download to my local. Then I can use it. And then launch. You click this. It's launching the instance. See this pending? It will become green when it's available. Now half our green here is still checking. Almost done. To refresh. It's done here. Green. And you see this public IP? This is the IP we need to connect to. hit this copy to clipboard. Now let's try to connect SSH set -i download demo which is I just created and download the key, and then Centos at the public. Yes. Oops. Oh, it's it required a private key not accessible by others, so we do change it to 600. Download demo key. Then we can do it again. There you go, connected. Now let's try to update it. So yeah, update. Done. Then you do reboot it. Now let's try to relog in. All good. So just FYI, I created Centos, so you login default login name for Centos in AWS instance is CentOS. If you create let's see, Ubuntu, it will be admin as your default login name. If you create Red Hat, you will have to use EC2 user. That's it for today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, please feel free to leave a comment. I will try my best to help. I thank you for watching.